The ketogenic diet, a high-fat and very low-carb eating plan, can be tough to start. After all, it's likely a radical departure from the way you're eating now. A typical standard American diet is high in carbohydrates and processed foods. But many people are trying the keto diet, which puts your body in a state of ketosis. That's what happens when your body's carb-burning switch flips to a fat-burning one, a change that can cause weight loss and has even been credited with controlling type 2 diabetes, a small past study suggests. How do you make practical preparations in stocking your fridge and preparing mentally for the big change to come? Consider this your step-by-step guide. 1. Know what foods you'll eat and avoid on the ketogenic diet. 2. Examine your relationship with fat. Keto involves lots of it. 3. Switch up your view of protein. This is a moderate protein diet. 4. Hone your cooking skills to make fresh fare, as high-carb processed foods aren't okay on keto. 5. Try bulletproof coffee, it's one of the best keto-friendly drinks. 6. Talk to your family about your weight loss goals on the diet. 7. Know what side effects to expect, for example, the keto flu. 8. Up your electrolytes to prevent or mitigate unpleasant keto side effects. 9. Acknowledge when keto might not be right for you. 10. Have an after plan, because keto isn't meant to be a long-term weight loss solution. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video.